I died. Wait, what? It says I died.
Yeah, I don't know. I spawned in and there were like zombies or some shit.
Oh, damn. Yeah, I see them. Wait, do you see that weird block up there? Damn.
Oh, yeah. Maybe we can like knock it down. That's so weird. There were 2 zombies, but they only dropped 1 thing.
Okay, so you know how in life, okay, well, I'll say this. I'll say this first. To me, one of the only constant truths in life feels like the more that you do something, the more you do that thing. It doesn't really matter what it's referring to. It just is like the more you do something, the more that you will do that thing in the future. Because that's just the river of fucking life and cause and effect. That's how that works, right? Like life will start to happen following your actions if you just decide to do more of something. These are so cute. I've never seen these before in my life. What are these? Some kind of weird spaghetti? Oh god, fuck.
Oh,
no
God.
shit, I tried to pick it up. It like, it's glitching. The game's glitching. My screen is like lagging or something. Hold on. And like there's like a weird sound that's happening.
It's trying to get you.
Oh my god, whoa. Oh, what the fuck?
Oh,
Wait.
it comes on the way.
Wait, what? What is that? What is that?
Oh, I think he's chill now.
Okay. Do you think he's alright? Oh no. No.
Get back in.
Get back in.
Yeah. Oh.
Holy shit.
We just saved a life today.
Okay. So, similarly to that though, if you have ever been around a farm, I don't know if you have, but if you start to grow anything, you'll end up with too much of it. Just literally anything. Like if you have chickens or one chicken even, you're gonna end up with too many eggs, like more than you can eat. If you grow tomatoes, you're gonna end up with way too many, like more than you can eat. This is true for literally like anything, right? And it's because like of cause and effect, right? Like you plant one seed and that seed leads to not a linear amount of seeds, but an exponential amount of seeds. Like that's true. If you have one mustard seed, it's gonna end up with like fucking thousands of mustard seeds. It's not just like, it's not even 1 + 1 = 1 at that point. It's 1 equals 5,000 if combined with this other material. You know what I mean? Like it's so conditional. Everything in life is extremely conditional because that's like the energy that's manifesting, like the energy that's manifesting as a tomato. Like the tomato is there because energy has happened in a specific way to manifest that tomato in physical reality as a tomato, because the conditions were right, because this planet has like a certain temperature, because the seed landed in a specific spot on the ground. Like it just happened that way because that's just how life happens. And like we're so like fucking high off hubris that we just think that like humans planting the tomato is what like grew the fucking tomato. Like no, bro, like humans
Sorry.
What's up?
You said hi.
Hold on, let me take it. Let me take a hit.
Oh yeah. That was good.
Oh
that
yeah,
was good.
baby.
Give me like the alley-oop there.
Oh yeah, baby. Let's go.
Insane.
But like the tomato would have fucking been a tomato regardless of if humans were on this planet or not. and like we do things as animals, and maybe, look, honestly, maybe it wouldn't have, because humans are a part of the fucking ecosystem. It's like literally neither here nor there whether like because we're here, we'll never know if tomatoes could exist without us. We're part of the condition that created the tomato. And humans are also, like, everything around humans is oh shit, really?
Yeah.
Like the fucking everything that makes up like what type of a human exists is basically their surroundings, but also like their passion and their dreams and their personality, which like is a result of fucking like random entropy basically. And like manifestation, I could get into this too, but like manifestation is just entropy that you choose. It's like a direction you want things, like making choices is just knocking over dominoes, right? And like I like their pizza, by the way.
I didn't want to interrupt you, but I was thinking the same thing.
You ever fuck with Domino's?
Yeah, fuck with Domino's.
Hell yeah. Dude, this game is so sick. We're like exploring, bro. This is sick.
This is like a fucking Odyssey.
More like Homer Simpson.
But like, I see what you mean. Like, 2 pigs is meaningless. Because like, if I kill this pig, kill this one.
If we kill this pig,
look, 2 pork chops. 1 pig, 2 pork chops.
1 pig equals 2 pork chops. Exactly. The
So
fuck? It's all just matter. It's all just mass, and we're using like numbers as like a part of definition to like help us understand what mass is over there. So like, yeah, it's true that there are like 4 pigs over there, right? Like say there's 4 over there. I don't know, I didn't count, but say there's 4 pigs. Like saying there's 4 pigs over there would be accurate, right? But it's a tiny fraction of the full picture of okay, this is what I'm really getting at. This is actually really what I'm getting at, which is that the value that those pigs provide is so conditional and subjective that like numbers definitely don't mean shit. Like when it comes to defining the value of the amount of mass that's that way that we call pig.
Well, what I thought when you said like, here's what I'm getting at, as we're walking up to this fallen tree, it's like, okay, 1 tree could easily become this lumber that is turned into how many planks, and it's
yes, true.
like the definition of numbers can change in an instant.
Well, and it's just like it literally just comes down to the fact that because 1 tree is here, there is like the potential energy for 1 billion trees here. Like that is the true reality of the potential energy of 1 tree existing. But that's kind of true with everything, is that everything has a potential energy that numbers do not account for. So like 1 + 1 could equal fucking 1,000,000 depending on what the things are. And if it's really that conditional to where you need to say like, we are divorcing, like that math is inherently divorced unless it's like, you know, unless it isn't, but like when you strip it reality down to literally just numbers and math, that's in a vacuum. Like you're stripping away context, which you can't.
You're stripping away the context of 2 pork chops,
right? Or the fact that like there's other pigs over there. You're never gonna find 1 pig by itself. Like it just doesn't make sense, because that's not how life works. That's not how cause and effect work. Like pigs need to reproduce. There's probably another fox around here because like 1 fox doesn't mean just 1 fox. It means other foxes that came before it. Environment that necessitates a fox be able to live. Entropy, like causing matter to become a fox. So I don't know. It's not like numbers are fake or that like they don't matter. It's just like they're a tiny part of the picture, and it's really making me realize how physical it is to like believe in things that are like not provable, if that makes sense, because potential energy always, this is also a big factor, is that the fact that there is something observing, there is always something observing, like because 1 + 1, like 1 + 1 implies that there is a third thing, which is both of them together, because duality exists. And like there's always going to be an observer, which always implies it always implies that there will be a potential energy that is greater than something on its own. Like an atom existing implies that there is a potential energy outside of it. So one atom never just means one atom. It means one atom and the space around it. And that, I don't know, that all of that just to me tells me that the nature of life is inherently exponential, and 1 + 1 probably always will equal more than one thing, or more than two. Like you have 1 + 1, but the combined nature of both of those unique objects will always create innovation, which is really just saying entropy in a different way. Like entropy has to exist, so 1 + 1 can never equal like a perfect 2. It always creates mean? Entropy means like deterioration, basically, like things decay. Like if you leave a rock somewhere, it'll eventually not be a rock because of entropy. Entropy is like the idea that things fall apart over time. But like that being good or bad is just a judgment we're making on things that happen. Entropy just means that change is inevitable. And I think that because entropy exists, you can never have a perfect equation in real life. You can have a perfect equation in this vacuum that we've created called math, where we do 1 + 1 problems, where we're like, yeah, 1 + 1, like just thing equals two things, but it literally is never, that's never how reality works, because you can't just have something that's devoid from value, which is subjective depending on the fucking observer, dude. The observer is what defines like how the potential energy is manifested into the physical. Wait, what? Where?
There's a zombie riding one of those things.
Really?
Yeah. You see it? It's
I don't see it.
Right in front of us.
I don't see it. So, oh shit! You see that over there? It's like a mountain or something under the water. Oh, there's a little like there's like a super fast fish around here. You see that?
Bro, the zombie's gonna hit you. Oh!
What happened? I was impaled.
The zombie was throwing tridents.
I was impaled by drowned? Which is it? Was I impaled or did I drown?
I'll avenge you. Ow.